Yo, what's up, guys? Sekona here. Today's Wednesday, third day of the week. Hope you're having a profitable week. If not, hope you're learning a valuable lesson from all the mistakes and losses that you take. Anyway, let me put my feed to see the level which I'll be selling. As I'm expecting the market to go bearish today. So, I would expect the market to go a bit higher before I sell. But at this current moment, let me just hold on a bit to see where the volatility pushes the markets. Then, because I'm a big guy when it comes to tight stop losses. So if I enter now, the stop loss will be tight than if I would, rather wait for extra confirmations. But of course, I don't want to just enter the markets and not be sure where it's going. And after taking a loss, I don't want to beat myself up, but I rather know that this trade was in my favor, was according to my trading plan, or rather close to my trading plan. So that's what I'm waiting for at this current moment. I want to short, I want to sell, but I see that the market is pushing to the downside. Okay, so it broke this low. I can see there's a low that it broke, but I would expect it to go lower than, you see that 44280 level. That's the low that I would actually consider actually taking a trade. But I'm gonna take my trade right here. Yeah, so I'm also trading my funded account, as yesterday we breached our Pro Edge account. But I will do another documentary, getting a payout on my Pro Edge account, the new one. Although I'm not really buying it now because I like to be free when I'm trading, and with a Pro Edge account you're not free with their strict rules, consistency rules and all that. But anyway, stay tuned for more. Shout out. Trade update, guys. So we've been taken out of this trade. However, we did know this was a less probable setup, as I did mention that the market might push to a bit higher, so that's what it's doing now. We might take a sell at the top if we see some more confirmations. Anyway, stay tuned for more. Shout out. Thank you for tuning in. So this is what I'm seeing right now. I'll be taking my second trade of the day right here, as the market really pushed a bit higher to the point that I was initially talking about. So this is my second trade of the day. We took one loss. The first one was a straight loss. We were actually wrong. Sometimes you have to admit that I was wrong. We were wrong. And we will learn a valuable lesson as soon as we go back and back test. But anyway, this is the trade. My second trade of the day. I have my confirmations right here. So anyway, stay tuned. I'll keep you updated on how this trade goes about. Shout out. Trade update, guys. So actually, after we executed on this trade, it went straight into profits, pushed to the downside, but now it's back in drawdown. However, it did break the low, so I'm a bit more certain that it might push to the downside. But anyway, what I'll be doing is trade management and keep my risk low as possible. And yeah, stay tuned, guys. If this takes me out, I'll come back in a New York session. As you guys know, my real viewers, you guys know, I take 2 trades in London session. If it's 2 L's, I come back, take 1 trade in the New York session. Anyway, shout out. Yo, what's up, guys? Hope you're still good. Back again, but now we're in a different session, New York session. So what we're gonna do here is take one last trade. Let's see how it pushes. Let's see where the volatility pushes the market. I know I was saying I'm looking for sells, but now I'm looking for buys because the market broke the high that we were looking at. So I'll be looking for buys. As I said, I see that the market is actually rejecting right here. Yeah, but at the moment I'll be executing now. Just give me a moment to execute on my funded account. Okay, So I executed when it was here. I'll show you guys the running trades. It's pushing higher. So I executed just before that long candle, I mean. So I'll show you guys running trades after this to see which profits I'm running on, like $150 now. $150. Yeah, stay tuned guys. Shout out. So as I said, I'm running on $150. Let me just adjust my SL, because if it turns back, I don't want to lose everything. Soon as it goes to 200 or 250, I'm putting break even. That's how I trade. So this is how we are moving. It looks nice. Yeah, anyway, shout out. Trade update, guys. So we are in deep profits. As you can see, the market has been pushing to the upside, going bullish. Although we are not at our TP level as yet, but doesn't mean that we shouldn't adjust and manage our trade well. So what I'm going to do is just keep managing it. Let me show you guys my running trades on my mesh trader platform. So guys, as you can see, we are running on lovely profits. I'm not sure if I should close or wait for TP, but it will be unprofessional to just close. I don't do that. But what I do very well is managing my trade, moving my SL to the upside as the trade goes deeper. Anyway, stay tuned for the update. Second trade update, guys. So actually the market just came to the downside. Not sure if it's retracing or if it's going against us, but what I'm going to do is just put my SL below this specific level. Let me show you guys the running trade. So as I said, I'm putting my SL just below that, as you guys can see. So let's see how it goes. If we go out, we'll go out I think on $200 or 190. So it's not bad, although yes, we're running on 350, but it's better than break even. At least we will eat something from this specific trade. Let's just see how it goes. I just hope it's it's a pullback and it's gonna shoot to the upside again. But as you guys know, the New York session is very volatile. Alert hit. My alert was being triggered. My alert was hit, as you guys saw. Trade was fuck. Anyway, yeah, shout out. So anyway, guys, we are out of this trade. I just wanted to say thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. Let's take this channel to 100 subscribers. We're just 4 subscribers away. Anyway, stay tuned for more.